갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어.
Take a photo, please. Okay. Okay, now ready to see your left. Yeah, there's nothing. Okay, now see your right. Anyone know what is that? Anyone else? Raise your hand. Yes, I heard that. It's a trees out. Tarzan, trees out. But Tarzan is on a home now, so you better visit him next time, but not today. And if you want to visit him, please take your rock over there. These two, remember. Don't try to fit the present because there's a lot of over there to the dog and they always hungry. And these trees out of the truck and you were famous scientists to come here. Okay, now we're in the longest river in the world. It goes down for miles. But don't worry, I know a shortcut. Let's see, we're waiting for us. Oh, who is this? It's a Marty and a baby elephant. It's six and a man is teaching the baby elephant how to use software analysis. Come on, it's a baby elephant. Ooh, there's one elephants here. It's a bloody elephant. It's taking a shower. Look at those wrinkles. I think it's a big elephant that was a salon. Oh no, what is this? It's a bloody elephant. It's very bad temper. And it's coming out. Are you ready to go wet? Oh, get down everyone! Get down! Okay, I'm just kidding. Whoa, whoa. Okay, Alina. It's my first one to be in here. You can see that? A big spider. Those spotting in jungle would take feet. But don't worry, we're only 10 feet away. So if they jump, they will jump right over us. Is that an elephant god? There's King Congress within an elephant god. And there's one more Congress here. It's there. Okay, we're safe now. All relax. Oh, but there's a crocodile here. I told you they're always hungry, so don't jump into the water. We call them crocodile, and they call us Dino. Oh, Dino's on. It looks so hungry right now. Okay, now we keep moving. I know where we are. It's a game of scientists. But there are so many Spanish companies here. It's gorilla. If you were anything yellow, they would make you a banana. Wow, watch out, everyone. They call us holding a Chinese sugar. They're so naughty. Oh, but look at your front. Welcome to Africa. There's a lot of different kind of animals here. We have the zebra, jaws, and African elephants. And these elephants is the most fierce animals in the jungle. The African elephant. Oh, you heard that? Oh, no, wait. She's the most fierce animals in the jungle. That's this one. You're arguing right now. Oh, calm down, calm down. Oh, and did you see the bubbles? Oh, it's the hippo. Those different sticks that supply creatures can bite the wild boats. Whoa! I can you smell that? You're about to smell it because of the way you brush that teeth. Oh, there they are, the scientists. They're so happy to see you again. It's a Dr. Shake. Hey, Dr. Shake, I'm from your America. Ooh, but not a good time. Oh, shall we help them? Shall we? No? No? Okay. We don't want to help you. Oh, we're leaving out of it and next photo coming soon. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at this. Oh. I think we're in the heart of the village now. We have to be quiet. It will be silence across it, okay? Don't let them find us. Because you will know we are not safe, right? We're in danger! It scared me, y'all! Are you okay? Anyone hurt? Yes? Are you sure you hurt? Oh no, okay. I'm so happy to hear that you were safe. Okay, now we're going to back to the dot. Yeah, remember keep your whole body cerebral place, okay? Through your head, arms, feet, and legs. And don't stand up because it's really dangerous. Okay, now go back to the dot now. And nothing can stop us. Oh no! What's going on? Watch out, everyone! Where are we going now? Oh my gosh! I think we're in a forbidden target of the god! Oh my god, we're in the front! Oh, maybe we can go back to the... Oh no, we're not gonna have to! Oh! Just don't go! The god of fire is coming! Pick up your senses from everyone! Good job! Yeah, we did it! We're safe now! We still survived! Okay, now ready to see a lot! Who is this? It's a baby elephant. It's adorable! Oh, but it's time to say goodbye to the baby elephant now! Let's say bye, my baby elephant's earrings time! Yeah, that's right. Okay, your arm is thank you so much! Yes, hello man, your arm is in your... But please, hello man, your arm! Your arm, where's your arm? Don't touch a gray area, please. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, sit down, please, and don't stand up. Okay, now we'll get back to the gun now. Remember to close the window later, okay? This is the window. And if you're not the window, you will become a gorilla. And now we send you back to the jungle, and you will eat banana forever and ever. And if you enjoyed the trip, please remember my name is Angel. If not, just forget it, don't remember my name. So what's my name? Yeah, that's right. Okay, now give me a few more seconds to stop the boat. In 3, 2, and finally is 1. Okay, my boat is stopped and you believe now it's time to say